flying Lego things. First, we will shoot a Lego man. Yes, his name is Snuggles. I don't know why. Then we will shoot Lego legs. Then a Lego skeleton. Let's do this. Let's see. Where did it go? Lego man can fly, mother. I'm alive. Not anymore. Goodbye. Let's see. Do Lego legs fly? Lego legs fly. Do Lego skeletons fly? Let's see. Yes, they do. Lego legs fly. What the beep is this? Oh. Retard rock? Until next time, goodbye, folks. You're retarded rock? Have a good evening. If you